Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and then on the opposite side, you have the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room around. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and leather interior, fold-out armrest with two cup holders, and in the middle you have a 110-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. Backs of the seats have zippered pouches and MOLLE rigging to hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and I believe your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, now playing, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with adaptive steering, distance spacing technology, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, as well as having your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start stop shut off, hazards, this tray area, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Beneath that, you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector, or drive mode selector, for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside and another USB and USB-C. But then last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine, and that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563, and have a nice day.